An array can be single-dimensional, multidimensional, or jagged. The number of dimensions is defined when an array variable is declared. The length of each dimension is established when the array instance is created, and these values cannot be changed during the lifetime of the instance. A single-dimensional array is a linear collection of elements, all of the same type, stored in contiguous memory locations. Each element is accessed using a single index, starting from 0 to n1, where n is the length of the array. It is used to store a fixed number of elements that can be accessed efficiently. The array size is determined when it is created and cannot be changed during its lifetime. A multidimensional array is an array that consists of more than one dimension, allowing it to hold data in a tabular form, such as a matrix. The most common type of multidimensional array is the two-dimensional array, which resembles a grid, but arrays can also have 3 or more dimensions. A multidimensional array is specified by the number of dimensions using commas. For example, a two-dimensional array is defined with a syntax that includes 2 sets of square brackets. A jagged array is an array of arrays, where each inner array is initialized to null by default, as they are reference types. Arrays are zero-indexed. For example, in an array with n elements, valid indices range from 0 to n1. Each element of a jagged array must be explicitly initialized before use, as they are references to other arrays. Therefore, before you can use an inner array, you need to initialize it explicitly. Array elements can be of any type, including other array types. Array types are reference types derived from the abstract base type array. All arrays implement iList and IEnumerable. You can use the for each statement to iterate through an array. Single-dimensional arrays also implement iList and IEnumerable.